Leonardo Fibonacci was a 13th century Italian mathematician who discovered that many elements in our daily lives follow a predictable sequence. Traders use this same concept to plot sequential levels of support and resistance following reversals from previous trends. The use of Fibonacci can be quite simple or quite complex and can be used for spotting support and resistance levels or used to confirm stop-loss positions, but we will cover that in our education series. For now, let's just see how we can use this in MT4. Before we start, we need to identify a trend from beginning to end. For example, on this pound-dollar 1-hour chart, we can see a swing low here and a swing high here. Click on the Fibonacci button on your toolbar and click drag and drop a line between the 2 points. If you see what I see here, lines and figures in yellow as the MT4 default, simply right-click on the chart, select Objects List, select Fibo, and Edit. You may now change the color to something more suited to your chart background. So, using Fibonacci sequencing, it was established that key levels of retracement occur at 23.6%, 38.2%, 50%, 61.8%, 100% of course, and should price break through, Fibonacci extensions would occur at 161.8%, 261.8%, and 423.6%. Okay, we have charted a bull run, and using the guidelines for the Fibonacci retracement, we see that price did in fact return and bounce off the 23.6% level. If we look carefully, we can see that the 38.2% level was in fact a previous level of resistance, and so was the 61.8% level with a bit of support as well. If we look further at the 23.6% level, we can go back in time and see the same thing weeks ago. As we move ahead, we can see that these levels repeated as support and resistance a few more times. Looking even further ahead, we have the Fibonacci extension at 161.8%, proving to be an area where price started to consolidate. Looking at this bear run on Aussie dollar on the 30-minute chart, we can easily see that the 38.2% retracement level was a key level of resistance multiple times. To review, in this lesson we covered the concept of Fibonacci sequences, Fibonacci sequences in trading, activating and modifying Fibonacci levels on MT4, and using Fibonacci retracements and extensions as levels of support and resistance.